Every day, about 2 people die in the US because of drivers running red lights. Running a red light risks causing an extremely deadly T-bone accident. In an effort to reduce the danger, many states have installed red light cameras. The idea is simple. Dangerous drivers are less likely to run red lights if they risk a traffic fine, and in many ways, red light cameras can save lives. A study by the Texas A&M Transportation Institute revealed that red light related accidents dropped 25% after the installation of red light cameras, with a corresponding decrease in fatal crashes. There was, however, an increase in the less fatal rear-end collision as drivers slammed on their brakes to avoid red light violations. But perhaps that's a reasonable trade-off. Red light cameras hold dangerous drivers accountable, but the cameras are not perfect and they don't always target the dangerous driver. In the Chicago suburbs in 2011, a Tribune investigation discovered that out of 563 tickets a camera sent out, 560 of the violations were simply from turning right on red legally. By protocol, a red light camera takes a video of the violating vehicle. This vehicle is reviewed by the red light company, which forwards potential offenses to the local police department, who review the tickets before they are made official. However, these overworked police often skim over the tickets they are tasked with reviewing. Another Chicago Tribune investigation discovered that a police chief in suburban Riverdale was found to review tickets faster than you can say fined, averaging an impressive 53 tickets reviewed per second. Thus, even when innocent of the fine, drivers often get a red light ticket, and the fine can be expensive, up to $500 in California. But where does all this money go? Red light camera companies sell their services to the cities as long as they get a sizable portion from the ticket fees. In Fayetteville, North Carolina, for example, American Traffic Solutions gets 35% of every ticket. That's a hefty incentive that can lead to corruption. In Chicago, an insider was sentenced to 10 years in prison for accepting $2 million in bribes to direct red light contracts to a certain company in Arizona. Another investigation in Chicago learned that red light cameras widen parameters to increase perceived red light violations, leading to thousands of undeserved tickets. Red light cameras can be used to save lives, but in too many cases, they're used as massive revenue generators for both public and private sectors. The rampant corruption and increase in rear-end collisions involved with red light cameras is enough to tip the scale against them. The potential to increase road safety is there, but when money trumps safety, something needs to change.